I have another set of data, some vehicle data where I have things like a gear number that the vehicle was in and maybe things like torque. Let's set the limits to 3 on this. So I have a number of different channels. And I might want to only analyze the data when I'm in a specific gear or create a new run when I'm in a specific gear. We have a method in Testlab Neo called Decompose. And let's see, what add-in do you think decomposes under? Pop quiz.
Luckily, I'm on mute and I don't have to answer them right away. No.
Interactive analysis.
That's what I was going to guess.
I beat you.
So what this decompose method is really good for is if you have a channel like a gear channel, so it has maybe a certain integer number of gears or other items, we can set a rule to extract all of that data within a set integer number, so like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, across all channels and put that into its own run folder. I'll double click on the properties of this method. For this decompose method, you need to choose the index channel that you're going to use. So I'm going to use my gear channel. And you need to choose the number of levels that are in this index channel that you're going to decompose into the individual channels. For me, I have 6 levels because my voltage time history, has basically a 0, like not in gear, and then gears 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 6 total levels. And then I've defined my lower level and upper level to define the way the data is going to be segmented or binned. So it's going to look from minus 0.5 to 0.5. That will be the first level it's going to extract data between, and then 0.5 to 1.5, 1.5 to 2.5, and so on. So it's created essentially these 6 ranges that will be used for the data extraction. And then I've checked on this create new runs per level. So now when I run this process, let me make sure my data is still in the input basket. It is. My result is 6 new time histories for each channel. And if I look at gear number first, this plot's going to be kind of boring and a little hard to see, but this is my 0 value. This is my 1 first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, and so on. So it's extracting all these values. And then if I look at something like the temperature channel, these are the extracted segments that have been stitched together for these different gears.